AWS allows us to scale to levels that we would never be able to do on our own. I'm Scott Bedard, CTO and founder of Thismoment.com. Thismoment has offices in 6 locations across the globe. We're 130 employees, and we service companies such as Coca-Cola, AT&T, Sony Pictures, and IBM. We use the AWS cloud to power brands such as Coca-Cola to have a consistent message across YouTube, Facebook, a brand site, as well as taking that message in those locations and powering it onto mobile phones and tablets. Thismoment uses the AWS cloud for ELB to EC2 to RDS. We host all of the client's assets on S3 and distribute them globally using CloudFront. We use S3 to store all of the client media assets, and we have about 20 terabytes of storage. We use CloudFront to distribute the client's media assets all over the globe, and it allows us to have very low latency on photos and videos anywhere in the world. We use RDS as single tenancy to keep all of the client data segregated, as well as to allow us to scale each campaign individually. On any given day, we use between 500 to 600 EC2 instances. We use auto-scaling extensively, so servers are coming up and down all day long, depending on clients' needs. We love reserved instances because it allows us to control cost by buying in bulk our EC2 instances and our RDS instances. We use CloudWatch to monitor everything. We monitor our EC2, RDS, and Elasticache instances, and if any thresholds are crossed, we get an SNS notification, and then it will escalate to email, and then it will escalate to our pagers if necessary. During Super Bowl Sunday, AWS set up a war room right next to our war room, so we're able to manage all of our instances. At the end of Super Bowl commercials, you'll see a URL. Those URLs were pointing to us from 20 different Super Bowl ads. We were able to scale up hundreds and hundreds of EC2 instances and then scale them right back down after the Super Bowl. So costs were kept to a minimal and all of the campaigns worked flawlessly. Instead of engineers worrying about how to scale and bring up servers and bring them down and controlling cost, we have engineers working on things like responsive design and mobile applications and figuring out all the ways to publish into YouTube and Facebook. We love working with AWS. From the account managers to the solution architects to the support staff, it is like having a huge sysadmin team right on our own team.